Hello kids, welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of plants. Have you ever wondered how tiny seeds turn into big beautiful trees or colorful flowers? Let's discover the life of plants together. Every plant starts its journey as a seed. Seeds are like teeny treasure, just holding the magic of life inside. But what they do need to grow. Soil to hold plants, water to wake plants up, sunlight to give plants energy, and air to help them breathe. Is not that amazing? When a seed gets all these things, it starts to grow. First, little roots come out to drink water and hold on to the soil. Then a tiny shoot pops up to reach for the sun. This process is called germination. Next, the plants grows leaves. Leaves are super important because they make food for the plant using sunlight, water and air. This is called photosynthesis. Wow, plants are like little chefs making their own food. As the plant grows, some plants make flowers. Flowers are not just pretty, they help the plant make seeds or fruits. These fruits hold new seeds ready to grow into more plants, and the cycle begins again. Plants don't just grow to look beautiful, they give us so many things. Plants give us food like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Do you know that the tallest tree in the world is a redwood tree that's taller than a skyscraper? Or that a bamboo can grow super fast up to 3 feet in one day? Plants are full of surprises. Do you want to grow your own plant? It is easy, just take a pot. Fill it with soil, plant a seed, give it water, watch it grow, and don't forget to give it lots of love. Plants are wonderful and so important for our world. Let's take care of them and grow more plants every day.